Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Bosch Panel-Facia part number 478808. Bosch Panel-Facia is a type of panel that is used to cover the interior of a vehicle. It is typically made from ABS plastic and comes in a variety of colors and finishes. The panel fascia is designed to protect the interior of the vehicle from dirt, dust, and other debris while also providing an aesthetically pleasing look. The panel fascia can be installed on the dashboard, door panels, and other areas of the interior. It is also easy to clean and maintain. The part number 478808 is specifically designed for use with certain models of vehicles, such as Audi, BMW. This part fixes the following symptoms. Bosch Panel Fascia part number 478808 is a replacement part for the Bosch dishwasher. It is used to replace the existing panel fascia on the dishwasher, which can become damaged or worn over time. This part helps to restore the appearance of the dishwasher and can help to prevent further damage from occurring. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the existing panel fascia from the appliance by unscrewing any screws that are holding it in place. 3. Take the new panel fascia and align it with the existing holes in the appliance. 4. Secure the new panel fascia with screws, making sure they are tight and secure. 5. Turn on the power to the appliance and test that everything is working correctly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsipscom to order residential appliance parts.